everyone, welcome back. If you're new and haven't stopped by before, welcome to the Diva Den. My name is Kelly and I like to talk all things home related, whether it's DIYs, cooking, cleaning, organizing. Might even throw in a few beauty tips and tricks along the way. Not that I'm any expert, but I like to talk about everything. So can't believe January is done. We're now into February. So I thought I would share some of my January favorites. I have a couple of categories, well, a few categories, you know, beauty, home, decor, and some cleaning and miscellaneous things. So let's get started on some of the things that I really loved using in January. First up, I'm going to talk about a couple of beauty products that I liked. And they're specifically around fingernails. I have had my nails done for years. I think it was called crystal, not really porcelain, but crystal nails put on. And I loved them. I always had the French manicure. But I noticed back in August, well before that, I noticed my nails were starting to get really dry and not looking very good underneath. So I decided to give them a break from having them done professionally with all these chemicals. My two thumbs always had a split down them, and that's one of the reasons I started getting the fake nails put on. It was just to try and strengthen them, and they were always cracking and splitting down vertically, and oh, if you caught them on anything, if any of you suffer from that, it really hurts when it catches. So that's why I had the fake nails put on. But now they seem stronger. I don't, knock wood, I don't seem to have that issue now. So I wanted to share with you a few things that I found and that have really helped repair my nails. So here we go. So in order to repair my nails, one of the first things I started using daily, and I would use it especially at night when I went to bed, is I would put on jojoba oil, and I would put it on each of my fingernails and rub it in and give it a really good rub, especially right at the base, the cuticle. And I did that. I religiously do this every night. Even if I have nail polish on, I will still use the jojoba oil at night. And I have found it really moisturizes them and helps to repair them and make them grow much longer. So I'm really happy with that. They're not as dry and brittle. Of course, I'm always putting hand cream on, and I use gloves when I wash dishes, so that helps. But this jojoba oil has been a real lifesaver. It really helps strengthen my nails. Really good. The other thing I stumbled across on lots of reading on how to repair my nails was how to file them. And a lot of sites recommended glass nail files. I had never heard of them. Had you? Have any of you ever heard of a glass nail file? I've never. I always bought those emery boards, you know, from the drugstore, and the just the regular nail files from the drugstore. And then I started reading a lot about these glass nail files. Well, right before Christmas, I was in Trade Secrets, I think it is, and lo and behold, they have glass nail files. And this is what this one looks like. When you're filing your nails with this, it doesn't tear or rip at them. It gives such a smooth, nice finish to the nails when you're filing them. I don't know what it is, what it does, but it is wonderful. It really helps shape your nails. It doesn't tear at them. I love this thing. It was a little, like for this little itty bitty one, I think it was $8.95. That's not too bad, and it seems to last forever. But I love what it does when you're filing your nails. So I think between the jojoba oil and this glass nail file to fix my nails, I think it's really working. I really like it. Now the other thing, now that I'm painting my own nails, the other thing that I'm loving is by Essie, and it's the gel setter. So as a top coat, I put it on top of my, my nail polish, and this stuff really gives a nice finish to your nails. It makes them nice and shiny, and it helps the nail polish last a lot longer. So it's the Essie Clear Gel Setter. I really, really love this. My daughter got me onto this, and I think that's also helping them stay stronger and just not rip anymore. So those three things I'm loving for January on fixing my fingernails. So I'm really happy with those things. Okay, let's move on to favorite cleaning products, and I have two to share with you. So the first one I wanted to share with you is the Calabria Counter Spray, and it is in the, let me get my glasses, Tangelo Palm Frond scent. Smells really good. Anyways, I finally found it at Terra 20, and I'll try to leave the link below, but I found it at Terra 20. Now it is a little expensive for a counter spray, but it lasts quite a while, but it really smells lovely. And what I really like about it is the scent hangs around for a while. It doesn't just, you know, when you spray it and you wipe your counters and it smells so nice, but then you walk away and it doesn't smell anymore. It doesn't smell like you've done anything. This stays around for a while, that wonderful scent, so your house smells really good. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was using it and my daughter walked in the house and she goes, "Oh, the house smells wonderful." So, and all I had done was use this. So this is a really nice spray. I'm really loving this one. Now the other thing I'm really loving is this scrubby that I shared in my video of my 10 favorite cleaning products, I believe it was, and I'll try to leave that link below. And it's this really rough scrubby thing, and it's called a Euro Scrub, I believe. But what I really love about it is it's gentle enough to use on your Teflon pans and your glass stovetop. You can really scrub and it gets off all the little bits and particles on your pans or on your glass oven top, but it doesn't leave scratches. So I really love that. But my best girlfriend, Diane, gave me a tip about these because she has apparently used them for years and I had no idea. Maybe I did, but I don't know. But Diane, thank you for this tip. And I hope you're having a good time in Arizona. We were talking about this recently, and I said, "Yeah, I love these things." And she says, "Oh, I've used them for years." I said, "The only thing is, like, I don't want to throw it in my washing machine to clean it because it'll get caught on all the towels and everything." She goes, "Well, don't throw it in the washing machine. Throw it in the dishwasher." So that's a good tip. If you're using these scrubby pads, throw it in the dishwasher to wash it, and it'll clean it up and sanitize it as well. So thank you, Diane. Great tip. So those are my two favorite January cleaning products. So let's move on to home decor because I had a hard time narrowing this one down. You know, after Christmas, after you take everything down, I love Christmas. I love putting up my decorations. The house always looks so pretty, but it is nice to take them down and you kind of get a clean slate. And I don't know about you, but I get the itch to maybe change up my decor a little bit. And of course, January, I got the itch to change up my decor a little bit and add just some new things, take away some old things and freshen things up. So I was at one of my favorite stores, here in Ottawa, and it was Urban Barn, and they were having a fantastic sale, and I just seemed to catch it at the right time. So I did find some new decor things that I want to share with you. One of my favorite things, silly as it may be, were these mugs. These pretty mugs. Look how pretty that is. Because I'm starting to change some of my accent decor to this beautiful turquoisey, bluey color. I have kind of a soft gray wall, and I have these soft grays and creams and things like that. So this, I'm really loving this pretty blue color. So I found these mugs there. Now the best thing was they had 12 Yay! They only had 12 of them. I was so happy with that. But they were on sale, and then it was take another 50% off the sale price. So I got these mugs for $1.50 each. And they're beautiful. They're great size. Silly, it's a mug, I know. But when they're all lined up in my kitchen cabinet and they're all clean and lined up, they just look so pretty. So this is one of my favorite home decor purchases in January. My mugs, I love them. Now another thing for home decor that I loved, and I found these at Urban Barn as well, are these dried fake flowers. I know, fake flowers. But, you know, for an accent in a corner of your room, they can add a lot of, like some of them are so beautiful now, some of these fake flowers, you don't even, like they're so lifelike and they're so pretty. Anyways, I found these ones and I had some others in this vase and they were just looking, they were nice, they were okay, but it wasn't anything special. So I changed it up. And I love these things. They just brighten up the corner of this, of my kitchen. They're all the colors that I like to do downstairs in my kitchen, which leads into my family room. And it just brightens up this corner so pretty. So I love these things. And again, they were on sale and another 50% off. So it was almost like buying them at the dollar store. I actually think the sticks, the gray sticks, I actually think they were about $1.25 each, which was amazing because they're so cool and they're so different. I love them. Now this next thing I got at our staff Christmas party this year, and it was everybody gets a gift and you don't know what it is, you just pick off this table. It's a wonderful little treat for everybody. So I picked this gift. And when I opened it, and they had quite a few of them, similar gifts, and they were the hit of the party. All the ladies went crazy for them. So it is this bag. Look at this bag. Isn't this beautiful? It's a great tote, you know, to run into a store, to pick up your groceries. It's very, very sturdy, quite deep. Don't know if you can see, look at that. Look how pretty they are. And they're made out of this wonderful washable material, and they just collapse down to nothing. So you can keep it in the trunk of your car and just run in for a quick grocery. I love this bag. They really were. They had all different colors and designs that some of us picked at the Christmas party. We didn't know till we opened it. I got lucky, I got the purple one. But they're they're washable. They're really, really nice, very sturdy, like I said. Great to run into the grocery store or any store. You don't want to take too many bags in. So I'm really happy with this. I'm very excited that I got this, very lucky. So yeah, and I'll try and leave the link below of where they purchase them. I'll ask at the office where they got them, and I'll leave the link in case any of you are interested in where they got them. So really nice bags, really good. Now my last little, I guess it's not really home decor, and it's kind of beauty, but it's my bracelet. My bracelet. See if you can see it. This pretty bracelet. My sister-in-law Lisa makes jewelry, makes bracelets, and she made all the girls at Christmas one of these bracelets, and on the tag is our initial. And I love this. It's just perfect. It goes on my hand so easily. I have a small wrist, so I have a hard time with bracelets, and I love bracelets. But I love this. It's just simple. It's plain, little glittery. I just love it. It's a beautiful blue, the blue that I'm kind of liking for my home decor, and with our initials on it. And it's very special because she made us each one, and I think that's very special. So thank you, Lisa. I love my bracelet. Now the last two products are food items that I'm loving. And the first one is this Greek yogurt by Danone, and it's banana flavored. I am kind of a little fussy when it comes to my yogurt, but I saw this flavor, banana flavor, and I love the Greek yogurt. And I thought, oh, I'll give it a try. It was on sale. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. The banana flavor is not that strong. It's just enough that you get that hint of banana, and it is delicious. I am loving the banana flavor. So I'm going to keep buying this one. Now the other thing that not only myself, but my husband has been loving are these Catelli super green noodles. They're made from all the different super greens. Yes, there is a little bit of flour in them to make them stick together, but are these delicious? They cook up in no time flat, and they are so good. And the best thing is, after you eat them, you don't feel full. I don't know about you, but after I've had a pasta meal, I always found the noodles like just would sit there and feel so heavy on my stomach. But these are delicious, and you don't feel like you've just had this big pasta meal. They're so good. So we are loving these Catelli super green noodles. So there you have it. My January favorites for beauty and cleaning and cooking and miscellaneous. It's all there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd like to know what products you're finding that you're loving these days. Leave them in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and maybe before you go, you'll think about hitting that red button below to subscribe. I'd love for you to become a diva and join the family here. And until next week, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.